WROI News, connecting you with your local, statewide, and national leaders. This is WROI News.
.1 WROI, it's time to take a look at your local news. The news today is brought to you by Parkway Body Shop, collision repair experts right across from Rochester High School, and by Ulrich and Kite Heating and Cooling. For reasonable prices, experience, and excellent customer service, call them today at 574-223-6307 or on their cell at 574-727-0005. We are currently sitting at 37 degrees under a cloudy sky here in downtown Rochester. We'll have a look at your full weather forecast a little bit later on in your news. The Woodlawn Hospital Board met and discussed Fulton County's designation as a health professional shortage area, or HIPSA. Woodlawn CEO John Alley was our guest on the WROI Hospital Report and explained.
And what that means is that based on our population and number of physicians, we could use some more physicians in the area. So in an effort to entice that physicians to come here, two things from that. One is there is some federal programs for physician student loans that they can be forgiven at the federal level if they take a job in this type of area. But more importantly, to help us recruit that, there is an additional compensation or reimbursement we can get from Medicare and Medicaid.
Alley told us what benefits that would bring to the hospital.
So what we have to do, we make an application to the government. It takes anywhere from 12 to 18 months because they want to just make sure we're going to do what we say we're going to do. So we have to have inspectors come in, they look at our buildings. But what it will do is basically increase our reimbursement. So, we don't know those exact numbers yet because it's going to be based on our cost and our population. But let's assume right now we're getting $50 from Medicare for a patient visit. That might go up to $60 to $75.
He went on to say that while it doesn't sound like much, it is.
It's a big deal when you look at our Medicare population and our Medicaid population. That's probably 60% of our business. That's large dollars for us that now we can take that additional reimbursement. One, pay for new physicians to come in the community to get our level up where it needs to be, and infrastructure so we can buy the testing equipment, do the renovations to meet the needs of our patients. So really excited that we was able to get that designation for Fulton County. Now we need to use that, leverage that as we move forward with the rural health clinics.
And again, that was Woodlawn Hospital CEO John Alley. In statewide news, a new study out of Purdue says that coal is going away and that the business sector will lead the exodus. Lead author of the study out of the Climate Research Center, Lee Raymond, says coal is basically being priced out of the competition.
I'd say from our report, the people who should really be paying attention, in particular on the business side, are people in the commercial sector. When you talk about that 5% increase in cooling demand, that's significant if you own a mall or if you own some facility.
Raymond says that by the middle of the century, it could cost businesses an extra $100 million a year to cool their facilities. The City of Rochester Board of Public Works and Safety will meet in special session on Thursday, February 21st at 3 p.m. in the Council Chambers Conference Room at the City Building Complex, 320 Main Street, to interview prospective grant administrators and architects for the downtown MSRP grant project. We'll be back with a look at your full weather forecast after this.
Hello, this is Dan from Parkway Body Shop. May not look like it, but spring's right around the corner. Sectionals, March Madness, and baseball spring training. I bet you have some dents and bruises on your car from the winter. Don't forget, Parkway Body Shop is here for all your auto body needs. We work with all insurance, and we want the opportunity to get your car in great shape for the spring. Make sure you tell your insurance we want to go to Parkway, and we'll take care of the rest. For a free estimate, call or stop by our shop. We're located at 1646 Park Road across from the high school, or call 223-5017. That's 223-5017.
Ulrich Heating and Cooling is proud to announce their new name change. With the addition of Bob Kite, Lloyd and Sandra's grandson, they are now Ulrich and Kite Heating and Cooling. Together, they bring expert service and sales for all your heating and cooling needs. They are your local Armstrong Air representative. Armstrong Air is designed to deliver substantial durability, comfort, and energy efficiency. Call 574-223-6307 for service on any type of heating or air conditioning system. That's Ulrich and Kite Heating and Cooling. Licensed, insured, and bonded. Locally owned and operated for over 35 years.
And again, we are sitting at 37 degrees under a cloudy sky with some areas of fog moving around through Rochester. Winnemac is at 36 degrees. Wabash is at 36 degrees as well. We see showers likely mainly after 5 p.m., areas of fog up until about 8 p.m., and otherwise we're going to stay about like this. We could still get up to 38 degrees. Tonight, we see those showers sticking around till about 7 p.m., then becoming cloudy once that fog moves out of the area around 8 p.m. We do have a low around 29 and could see some wind gusts as high as 25 miles per hour. Tomorrow, it'll be partly sunny. We have a high near 39. Tomorrow night, mostly cloudy with a low around 23. Friday, we see a mostly sunny sky. We have a high near 41, a low around 33. We see showers on Saturday after 1 p.m. We have a high near 50 and a low around 35. And then on Sunday, we see a chance of rain, possibly mixing with some snow, a high near 41 and a low around 20. Again, 36 degrees in Wabash, 36 degrees in Winnemac, and 37 degrees here in downtown Rochester. This has been a look at the forecast for Rochester and all of north central Indiana. The news today was brought to you by the experienced professionals at Parkway Body Shop of Rochester. Call them at 574-223-5017. And by Ulrich and Kite Heating and Cooling. Find out how you can save on your fuel bills with the latest in heating and cooling products. For WROI News, I'm Paul Zartman.
Do you have the WROI News Tip of the Week? When you see or hear news happening, call 223-6059. If you have the top tip of the week, we'll pay you $10. That's 574-223-6059. 223-6059.